me and Noah have pink glitter glue, and Christopher has blue glitter glue. So here are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using for our slime. We're going to be using baking soda, contact solution, and glitter glue. And so let's get started. Okay, first we're going to add in our glue. Okay, how much? Okay. This is hard. Ew. It makes a weird noise. It's slowly. Oh man, you got most of yours out. A big blob just came out. I see. You have to take the whole top off. I still got some more. That might be enough. Now I gotta mix it. Now I gotta put the baking soda in. I'm trying to get every bit of it out. You don't have to get every bit of it out. I'm gonna check it if everything's still in here. Okay, that should be good, I guess. Okay. Now, the bacon. What do we do? What are you doing exactly? I'm trying to open it. Maybe I know how to do it. Wait, you have to like this, so. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Is there a piddly one there? I don't put it in the spoon. You have to fill the whole thing up. Just fill the whole thing. There you go. Okay. Just put it in. Now the baking soda.
Not everybody makes solution.
Yep.
Now what does the solution do?
It kind of helps activate it. Ooh, that's
Do I
good.
know my time is right now?
Okay.
Alright, let me hold that for last.
Yeah.
Get her going. Alright.
This is going together well. It looks very pretty.
Mine's is very yours. Oh,
Stir it, Leia. Stir it round and round.
no. Round and round and around.
Round and round.
What can we put the baking soda in?
Alright. I'm just going to put my thing like that inside. Alright.
I'm gonna keep it.
I'm going to put the baking soda in.
Doc, can I put it on paper? Alright, love it. In here? I'm gonna put this in here. Do I need it?
Okay.
Do I need this?
Here you go, Christopher. Put 2 in.
Wait, what?
Put 2 scoops in.
Oh god.
It's
Don't have a mess.
coming together.
How much baking soda you supposed to use?
Just 2.
No! No! My stick is in here. My stick What?
Yay, a spare stick. You may have to
I
add
need a baking soda.
another.
Brian.
Mix.
Baking soda.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add 1 more scoop of mine.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I can't wait to play with this. I'm never going to destroy it. I'm going to keep it in my room forever.
It's very sticky, but it's
I'm going to steal it.
connected, so that's good. Oh, it's turned into slime.
Alright, stir it. Stir it
It's
up.
kind of like cotton candy, just connecting together.
Huh?
You need more?
Maybe I'm going to get 1, 2, 3.
Let me see.
Mine's just sticking everywhere.
Okay.
Mine's just sticking everywhere. Wait, what is it?
Whoa. I have
Put some more
slime.
solution in yours.
Okay, I need to.
Yeah, put some more, a little bit more.
Wow. It's sticky, but cool, but not too sticky.
Okay. I'll show you now.
Okay.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to stir now.
Alright, yours is perfect.
Yeah. Whoa, and it's stretchy. I gotta play with it some so it doesn't get too sticky. But it's good otherwise.
I was gonna put it here. This here. How much?
What?
Christopher, you need to stir yours a little more.
Okay. I'm gonna
Stick it to the stick.
Mine's just. Mine's hard to stir. I'm gonna add one big more bacon.
Keep stirring.
I know it's very sticky, but I gotta keep playing with it to make it unstick.
Okay. I made slime before.
Okay.
I'm.
It's nice, but very
Mine is.
What you got going?
I don't know.
What's wrong with your bowl?
Is this enough? Thanks, sir. Mom, is
Sticking?
this enough? Do I still have to stir it? Okay. It's sticky. Mine has to have more solution.
Christopher, yours is almost ready.
Oh, yes.
Mine is ready, but very.
Mine is.
It's starting to kind of work a little.
Is mine done now? Is mine done now?
It's done.
Did yours seem like Mariah's? You see how hers is? It's not too sticky.
So now when I put it on here, it picks up the glue.
I can see through it. Well, it's not at least it's slime. This is too much mess.
Wow, mine's just perfect now.
Mine is sticky.
We gotta play with it, so I had to play with mine, but it's good now.
Mariah, what do y'all think about it? You think it's easy to make slime?
I think it's easy. Even though I
The
didn't.
ending was very sticky, but now not so much. And it's very stretchy.
Gosh, I need to get this off. I'm not Spider-Man. Get this off.
Alea, is this sticking to your hand?
Yeah, it's sticking to hers.
I need to go wash my
I'm the
hands.
only one who's not
You
sticky.
don't like it?
I need to go wash. I need to go wash my hands.